guys, today we have an exciting and highly anticipated comparison, the Pixel 5a 5G and the Pixel 4a 5G smartphones from Google. Packed with impressive feature, without further ado, let's dive in and explore some of the standout features of them. Hey, I'm Deepak, welcome to our channel where we share the latest and the greatest in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for more tech content. First up, let's talk about the design. The Pixel 5a 5G has a slightly larger screen than the Pixel 4a 5G, coming in at 6.34 inches compared to the Pixel 4a's 6.2 inches. However, both phones have a similar design with a hole punch camera on the front and a fingerprint sensor on the back. When it comes to performance, both the phones are pretty similar. They both have the same processor and RAM, so you won't find anything different there. However, the Pixel 5a has a larger battery than the Pixel 4a, hence you can expect it to last a bit longer. One of the biggest difference between these two phones is their cameras. The Pixel 5a has a dual camera setup while the Pixel 4a has only one camera. This means you will be able to take better pictures in Pixel 5a, especially in low light conditions. When it comes to the rear camera, the Pixel 5a comes with 12.2 plus 16 megapixel dual camera while the Pixel 4a comes with 12.2 single camera. Let's see the similarities as well. Both the phones are powered by Snapdragon 765G processor and both the phones have 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Finally, let's talk about the price. The Pixel 4a is currently trending at 14,900 and the Pixel 5a is currently trending at 17,900. So if you are looking at a more affordable option, then the Pixel 4a might be the best option for you. So that's our comparison of the Google Pixel 5a 5G and Google Pixel 4a 4G. Both these phones are great options depending on what you are looking for. If you want better camera performance and don't mind spending a bit more money, then go for Pixel 5a. If you are on budget and still want more features, then go for Pixel 4a. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and double your excitement. Not only will you gain access to amazing contents, you may also win cool gadgets from our giveaway contest.